In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print grid lines in Microsoft Excel, ensuring your printed worksheets clearly display cell boundaries. Having grid lines visible in print is particularly helpful for maintaining clarity and organization in your worksheets, especially when sharing them with others or referencing them offline. To achieve this, we'll walk through 3 different methods, each offering a slightly different approach depending on what you're most comfortable with in Excel. Let's start with our first method, enabling grid lines via the Page Layout tab. Begin by opening your Excel workbook. Navigate to the Page Layout tab at the top of the interface. Once you've done that, take a look at the Sheet Options group. Here, you'll see a section labeled Grid Lines. Right next to Grid Lines, there's a box labeled Print. You'll want to make sure to check that box. This step ensures that when you print your worksheet, the grid lines will be visible. After this, you can click on File and then Print, or simply press Ctrl+P. This will open the print preview, where you can confirm that the grid lines appear as you expect before sending your document to print. Now, if you're looking for a bit more customization, you might prefer the second method. This involves using the Page Setup dialog, which offers a broader range of customization options. Start by selecting the worksheet that you want to print. Again, head over to the Page Layout tab. This time, locate the Page Setup group, then click on the small arrow in its bottom corner to open the Page Setup dialog box. Once you're in, switch to the Sheet tab. Here, under the Print section, you'll find an option for grid lines. Make sure to check this box. After doing so, click OK and proceed with your usual printing process. Rest assured, the grid lines will come through on your printout, enhancing the overall readability of your document. Finally, if you're directly in the print preview mode already, there's an efficient third method you can use. Simply press Ctrl+P or navigate to File, then Print. This opens the print preview. At the bottom of this panel, you'll find an option for Page Setup. Click on it, and in the dialog that pops up, go to the Sheet tab. Here, just like before, check the Grid Lines option under Print. Click OK to confirm your choice, and you'll see the grid lines appear right in the preview pane. Once you're happy with how everything looks, go ahead and print your worksheet. Whichever method you choose, these steps will ensure that your Excel worksheets print with grid lines, making them as easy to read on paper as they are on screen. Enjoy the ease and professionalism that comes with organized, clearly defined printouts of your Excel documents.